We're in southern Washington State again today, just across the Columbia River Gorge to explore Spirit Falls. It's a quick, less than a 1 mile round trip to a beautiful waterfall that actually is a common kayaker run. A lot of kayakers like to bomb this waterfall. It's a steep descent down into the canyon where the waterfall is. And there's also a lot of poison oak on the trail, so you gotta pay attention to that. So right now I'm on this little ridge line above Spirit Falls, which is down there. So the point where the trail drops down is back there. Drops down to the left, so just came out along this little ridge here to see if there's any other good views of the waterfall. Beautiful view of Columbia River Gorge over there. So that's it for Spirit Falls today, and this wraps up our trip to the Pacific Northwest. Plenty more adventures coming. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. Check out some of the other videos from the Pacific Northwest. We found some awesome pools and waterfalls. Feel free to subscribe, hit that like button. But the most important thing, get out there, find your adventure, and be infamous.
Infamous.